As the pharmacy of the world and for the welfare of all humanity, India has stood firm and played an important role in the post-pandemic world. India has launched the world's largest vaccination program and administered the COVID-19 vaccine to more than 1.8 crore people. To address the concerns of public, the Health Ministry has come up with detailed frequently asked questions regarding vaccination. So here are all the answers. Firstly, it is important to know which COVID-19 vaccines are licensed in India. In India, 2 vaccines have been granted emergency use authorization by the Central Drug Standard Control Organization. These 2 vaccines are Covishield and Covaxin. Now, what is emergency use authorization or permission for restricted use? Emergency use authorization or EUA is a regulatory mechanism to allow the use of vaccines and medicines to prevent the impact of life-threatening diseases. However, before grant of the EUA, there are rigorous assessments on quality, safety, production of protective antibodies and efficacy. For public health emergencies, safety remains a critical aspect of this scrutiny. But have these vaccines undergone the needed clinical trials before EUA? Both the COVID-19 vaccines have completed their phase 1 and 2 trials. Covishield has completed its phase 3 trials in the UK and the bridging trial in India. Now, what is phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 clinical trial for a vaccine? Phase 1 clinical trial examines vaccine safety, immune response and determine the right dosage. Phase 2 clinical trial of the vaccine measures the ability of the vaccine to generate an immune response, whereas phase 3 clinical trial determines vaccine effectiveness and safety in a larger group of people. Now the question is, why vaccination is not provided to children who are the usual target? COVID-19 affects all age groups. However, morbidity and mortality is several times higher in adults, particularly in those above the age of 50 years. Children have either asymptomatic or mild infection. Now, there are certain concerns regarding efficacy and protection of the vaccine. What is the safety and efficacy of the vaccines used in the country? To ensure that the vaccine is safe, it is tried on a large number of people. In case of COVID vaccine, the developers have not reduced the sample size at any stage of clinical trial. Rather, it was bigger than the usual sample size. When a vaccine is tested, some adverse events or unwanted effects might occur. So, to ensure that the vaccine is safe, for the first 2 to 3 months, all vaccine recipients are kept on watch. And on this yardstick, both Indian vaccines are considered safe. As far as efficacy is concerned, all the global agencies have set the benchmark that only those vaccine candidates which show an efficacy of at least 50 to 60% will be considered. Most of the vaccines have shown efficacy of 70 to 90% within just a short time period of 2 to 3 months of observation. Will the vaccination protect you against newer strains or mutated virus of SARS-CoV-2? The body responds to vaccination by making more than one type of antibodies. Therefore, all vaccines are expected to provide a reasonable amount of protection against the mutated virus. Now let's talk about the side effects of the vaccine. In case of Covishield, some mild symptoms like tenderness, injection site pain, headache, chills and nausea might occur. And in case of Covaxin, other mild symptoms like headache, fatigue, fever, body ache, abdominal pain might occur. But till now, no other vaccine-related serious adverse effects have been reported. Now, once you have received the vaccine, do you have to take any precautions? The Health Ministry states that both the vaccines are safe, but in case of any discomfort or complaint, the beneficiary should visit the nearest health facility or call the health worker whose phone number is given in the COVID SMS received after vaccination, in case you already had COVID infection and were treated. Now, should you receive the vaccine? Development of immunity or duration of protection after COVID-19 exposure is not established. Therefore, it is recommended to receive the vaccine even after COVID-19 infection is treated. Even if you are vaccinated, it is necessary to follow the COVID-appropriate behavior, that is mask, 2 gaj ki duri and hand sanitization. We will come up with more information. Thanks for watching.